I'm Frank Barry, Manufacturing Science and Finance Union and member of the Steering Committee for Ireland. In moving this charter, there are a number of points that we wanted to address, but particularly we want to ensure that where we have legislation and where we have standards, whether they be in the UK, Ireland, Denmark or Germany, that employers will not move from one country to country when the standards become too tough, and that you don't bring those hazards to workers where the standards are at a lower level. Let me just remind you of some parts of the press release put out by Mick Williams this week. Employers have dominated the lawmaking process in Europe, leading to an erosion of health and safety standards in some member states. The noise directive has resulted in Italy having to adopt a weaker law on noise at work, German workers having less say in the safety testing process. The labelling and chemical safety directives will result in less stringent labelling of hazardous substances. Look at the effects of this in Denmark. Their stricter standards are deemed to constitute a barrier to free trade. Hazards don't reflect national borders. Chernobyl demonstrated this very clearly. We must ensure that the knowledge of hazards and how to avoid them is shared between workers across the European community if we are to win healthier working environments.